today I'm heading up to Prescott, so let's just wander around up there. So yes, buckle up for some random adventuring. What the? Phoenix has got me spoiled with all their heat. Okay, now it's getting warm again. I feel like if I don't paddleboard this lake, then I'm a schmuck. So we're gonna do that right now. You guys think I should get in? Yeah, no. I'm kind of ashamed to admit this, but I just had a thought that if I go on one of these rocks, that would make me an island boy. Okay, now we gotta figure out where we're sleeping.